Someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter, and everything's nothing but a game.
Whoa! Hang on, I'm just doing a tweet. Tourney Tuesdays. It's weird that I feel like I can't miss the countdown when it happens. Louie. How you doing? Dissolve, hi. Crazy Stay, yo. I've gone with... Bloody hell, it's a bit loud. So it's a bit loud in my ears. I'm going to be shouting in your ears because this is so loud. Romy, how are you? How's your day going? Dissolve. Don't worry, I hadn't started then, I don't think. It was on the countdown. Yo, Talia Martin, the house. Okay, I haven't tweeted yet. Louis, how are you doing? How you doing? Just loading up the PC. Are you getting involved in the tourneys? I'm going to do 20s today. Ref, is that a referee? Love that. Touchdown! Crazy Zay! Hey cutie. How's everyone doing today? Tuesdays are better than Mondays, let's just say that. Ah, tweet, Emmy. Tweet! Ugh. I can't. Oh. Come hang. Smiley face. Yeah, I'm going to do 20s today. Rocket League 20s. Oh, I'm going to get a fork. Damn it. Ow. Duty. How you doing? Chill evening now, getting work done. Yes. I've got stuff done today, which is good. Left the house twice today. Went on a run this morning. Yeah, Dissolve. Anyone can just... I'll make it something like... Just gonna have a bit of hair falling. That... I'll make it something like EmzyRay. Tourney. Great name. Your 30 day... As in, it's your birthday, Doody. Is it your birthday? I'm waiting for the yes. There's enemy, yo! Duty, happy birthday! Dearest enemy, Chaos Clan Earth. Right, ran. Why did I say ran at the end? Oh, yeah. Yo, there's enemy. I've been on 5 minutes. This is mad. Thanks for the raid, dude. How was your stream? What did you stream? How are you? Shout out. Shout out. Oh, you've done it. Romy's done it. Thanks, Romy. Phantom Donut, yo. Oh, dude, happy birthday, dude. How are ya? Yo. Neural. Everyone's here. All the cool people are here, man. Stream Sims 4. I need to get back on Sims. Romy's going to say, yes, you do now, because Romy loves a bit of Sims. I haven't played Sims in ages. She's making a chaotic Shrek swamp house. What? I need to see this because I really see extended. That's weird. I've just seen that come up before. Dude, Luke! Today must be the day. Today must be the day. Matt Fizz! Hello. Why is the hype rate side? What are you guys? Yada 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 yada. The mix of music is a bit much, isn't it? Dude, choo choo. Guys, thanks for the resubs. Today is literally must be the day where this, I literally saw. I haven't even my watermelon while I'm alone. Turn off your Vaz. Turn off your crap, just get batty doing. Oh, thanks, Louis. Stop wasting your friggin' bits, man. Keep them. Also, Doody, how was your first stream? I saw that.
We're starting this with a hype train.
Alright then. No Alpha. Thank you for the bits, dude. You didn't have to do that. It's a scan train. Scan train. I mean, it's not very good. I started building a chaotic sim. And my chat turned into Romy! Body odi odi. I was like, what is this? Dude, Luke! Oh, what? I'm joking. Sorry. Drink. I need to drink my drink. Thanks, Neil. Thanks, Lauren. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening right now. It's all kicking off. Dude, thanks for the gifted. Oh, please. You slipped. It's also so friggin' nice to see you back streaming again. Choking on one of my own. Oh. Dude, freaking out. It's not even been 10 minutes. Oh my god, yeah, I'm doing a subathon on Saturday, but about that. I always forget about that.
Watermelon.
That was perfect! Dude, thanks for the bit. Stop, people. Stop scamming. Stop scamming yourselves. I think. Mike! Did you just get a gift, dude? Yay! Hey, thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Oh my god, Saturday. Forgot about that. I don't know how, but not forgot, but like I'm like, oh my god, it's Saturday. I need to prep. I need to prep. But it's gonna be. It's just a jam, this one. We love it. Woo! It's kicking off. Kicking off. Ow! Oh!
Drugs are naughty. Have huge puppies instead.
Louis, man. Great advice, Alpha. My head's gone. I've lost the plot. We've been here 2 minutes. Oh, 10. Guys, thanks for the friggin' love. The friggin' level 4, bruh. Drugs are bad, but that is a tune. Okay? It's easy, okay? What's that from? Name the TV.
Watermelon to keep me clean.
Dude, thanks for the fish. You didn't have to do that. Thank you. Guys. Too much, man. Thanks for the love. I wasn't expecting it at all. And I've like had such a good day compared to yesterday, so I know, I really fancied it. I haven't had watermelon in ages.
Let's get this hype train into the station.
This hype train. Stop. Thank you, Judy. Please, please, you don't have to. That would be fabulous. Oh. Also, I got this today. Ginger get. This should just be watching me choke on watermelon stream. Why am I? You guys are getting me too excited. I need to calm down. I need to like think of a dancer to do. Why would you want to kick Gingers? Ooh. Nah. I need a body dance. I need to come up with something. Is there one? It's probably a TikTok, right? Melly! Hi. Imagine typo watermelon on your grave. Watermelon! We gotta have it spelled like watermelon. This music's a bit random, isn't it? Do the sound. Yeah. I think they do, because I think it's gone up, right? The sound alerts count towards the hype train. I'm pretty sure it went up. Yeah, it's definitely gone up. I don't know. I don't know how quick it goes through. Oh yeah, it did. Living nice, living nice. King of body, yada 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 yada. I should do. I really want to play The Sims. I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to do Rocket League tourneys, but Melly, how are you? Hang on. Is this even like? Why is this a question? Salt on watermelon. Plain. Mix them both from. That's a thing. It's a thing to put salt on watermelon. Nah.
Water MELOWN.
You got scammed, mate. Louis, you got scammed. I think it's the caps, no? Chloe! Chloe. How are you, girl? Oh, wait. Is Romy? Are you able to do the poll? Actually, I'll do it. Don't you worry about it, sis. Salt on watermelon. Manage poll. New poll. Watermelon poll. Salt on water. Oh, salt. Salt on watermelon. Oh, look at you guys. Thank you for the lube. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Salt and watermelon. Plain. Mix of both. Do it. 3-minute poll. I don't really know. I don't really know. I'm good, thank you, Melly. I've been on here 15 minutes and I've had a lot of love. This is mad. It was Saturday. I could play Sims on Saturday. It's common in Canada, is it? The salt make it juicier. Juicier. Scam train complete. Thanks, guys. Ooh, share. Choo-choo. If poll is somewhat biased, no. The sweet and salty combo. What? I'd try it, but I'm scared about these headphones. I don't add salt. Guys, thanks for bringing 9 subs and 1,000 biddies. Thanks, guys. I never add salt to anything. Like, I don't add salt to chips. If they come with salt on it, I'm not gonna like scream. But also, Chloe, what? Oh, Romy. That strawberry's cool. All my new sub badges should be coming soon. Oof, I highlighted a spelling mistake. Oh, good. What is it? Well, I want to see what these. Wait. Plain obs this one. The winner. Salt and peanut butter. Ah, you're joking, Louis. You put peanut butter on toast and then you put salt on top of it. Went for a long muddy walk with Skylar. She just had a walk. How often do you have to, this is me coming from obviously never owning a dog. How often do you have to wash your dogs? Choo choo. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really intrigued about this also because it's ginger, turmeric, apple, and carrot. I would never choose to have like carrot in a drink. I don't know. Like we just put salt on Skylar. Thanks for the light, Phantom. I hope you're alright. Thanks for coming over. Hi. Sugar and cucumber. It tastes like watermelon. Are you guys playing with me? I don't understand. I really don't understand. Salt on peanut butter. I'll love it in the Discord next time I have it. It's unreal. Okay, I feel like you are being serious, but what? Salt on Okay, if you're gonna, yeah, I guess I feel like if you'd like salt on cucumbers, you'd like salt on watermelon too. What? How are you doing today? Hi, how's your finger? Feeling better? Work out how much you'd actually walked around yesterday. It was just under 21k. What, 21k steps? Whoa. Chat all the love, MC. You're a weirdo. Yeah, but on salt. Is this a thing? I'm back, mate. Probably wash her about once a month in the winter. Once a month in the winter. Less often when it's not that muddy. Yeah. Does Skylar like baths? Yes, most dogs do though, to be fair. Because they always want to like run in puddles and stuff, right? Again, I have no clue. Never owned a dog. Want one though. Oh, she hates them. Oh, I love baths too. Huggers, hello. I think. Oh no, your finger's still not good. It'll get better. Probably like needs a few days and then it'll work out. 27,000. Well, pretty much 28,000 steps you did yesterday. That's crazy. Wow. Damn. Get your fluids and fuel. I love baths. Do we put... See, I never put like a bath bomb in a bath. I always go for Epsom salts. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I just want bubbles. I always think Quad City DJ Mon and ride it, the train you mentioned. Oh, I don't know that one. Maybe I've heard it. I don't know. She won't even walk through puddles. Oh. That's kind of good though, because that's like, keeps her clean. Never try a pot noodle and Ghost Reaper pepper in it. Oh yeah, Dissolve, I remember you said, why? Your mum gave you a challenge, right? Why? Why was it that harsh? Have you ever tried salt in your bath? It's like, what about, oh god, why did I say that? Why did I say? Dude, by the way, how was your stream? What did you stream? First ever stream. You may or may not have viewed yourself today with a cheeky glass of champagne. You like the champagne? When? Right now? Or like first thing in the morning? 1996 track. Oh, I wonder if I know it. Sometimes, you know, when you're like, someone says a song, I definitely heard it, but actually I never remember who it's by. Especially if it's maybe like an old school one. Guys, Dissolve overloaded the toilet 3 times. Good to know. Yes, Resident Evil 7. Sorry. I did know that. Someone else said that, suggested that as a game to me, because I was saying about getting a game, like a scary game, but that I can kind of play by myself, like kind of play solo. Is that a good game to do that? Or and with? Would you suggest it? Definitely now champagne for Jazz. Might not have been a great idea. No, I know. For sure. Come check the stream out next time. Yes, I will. I will try to, for sure. I got excited because I saw you posted it in the Discord, and I was like, oh my god! Okay, should we try this? I'm scared about the carrots. I like carrots. But, yeah, guys, today I'm going to do some, tourneys. I'll make them public as well so anyone can kind of, like, hopefully people will just join anyway. Do you think 1s or 2s? What's the consensus? Let me do a poll. Rocket League, tourney. I bet hi, are you even able to play? My eyes have watered a bit. This is gonna be horrible. Damn. Oh, it doesn't smell good. It's alright, hi. You've won the first ever tourney I ever did. And we also won a tourney together. I'm scared. Okay. It's supposed to be good for me when it tastes like, smells like poop. Jamie! Dude, how are you? How's work today? Brag, yeah, but I said we. I did shake it before. I shaked it a lot. Now I feel like I've left it so long I need to shake it again. I'm scared. I can't do it in one though. I never do shots like these shots in one. I will it one. Okay. Okay. It's not like as bad as it smells. What do you mean tapped out, Jamie? What do you mean tapped out, Jamie? Like, have you left? Have you quit? Already? Still bragging though. Okay, this isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Definitely smells like poop though. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that, Jamie. Have you literally like left though or what? It's a bit bright. Oh, it's a bit... It's not water, but it's a ginger kick. Never kick gingers though. But we drink it. Don't look at my nails, they're all gels are all poop. Sprinkling some salt on it. You're adding your resignation. No. Oh. I mean, obviously, be happy. That's the main thing. Like, if it's not worth it for you, you know that, right? Yeah, self-care, baby. But that's sad. That's sad. That's sad. But hey, it's like a step in the right direction. You've got the job. You bagged the job. It just wasn't the right one. We move. We keep moving. On to the next one. You're still on furlough, so... Are we on furlough? Oh, 2v2 one. Okay, it was like 2 votes, but 2v2. Well, you can do, to be honest, we can literally do all of them. Someone's surely got a muscle flex. Alpha, do you not have one? I don't think you're sub emotes though. Sub badges even. Gonna have a shower. You stink. If shy, of shy. Alright, well, I'm gonna do 20s, so get involved in like the Rocket League 20s. So de-stress your mind a little bit, you know, just relax. But yeah. You got this. On to the next, literally. Oh, Ginger's playing FIFA. What do I open? Rocket League, that is the one. That's good though, you're still on Furlough. Where are you on Furlough from? Like another job? Your like old dog job? Hey, no worries, no worries. Go sort yourself out. Probably literally just got home. Poopy pants. Catherine. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are ya? And JJ. I got these today actually. I've never had these before. Oh. My stream crashed? Has my stream crashed? Has my stream crashed? My stream. My stream. My stream. Whoa. That was a major situation. Are we here? Am I here? Let me check. Brucey, hi. So, guys, it's not you, it's me. It's not me, it's you. But no, it is literally me. I'm a bit worried. Sorry, I think it's me, guys. What the fridge is happening? No, it's not. It's me. I see red. I see red.